Yo, peace out, brothers. We're gonna be playing some. I haven't decided yet. We can't play Pokemon Go yet. So I guess we'll play some Deer Hunt. Ding 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 ding. If you guys can hear me moving in my bed and stuff, moving in my bag. Aha, aha. Yes, let's do it, bro. This might take like 5 hours for it to load, but I might skip it. I might not. Oh, sweet. Never mind. Can't hear Fudge. I don't want it up too loud, though, so. What? It's downloading! What happened to it? Oh no, do I have to restart all my progress? What happened? I had it on my phone for like 5 years. Jokes. Well, I had it on my phone for like. I know. 1 minute ago. Honestly, I've had it on my phone for like 3 weeks. Are you gonna play or what? What are you doing, man? What the? It's gonna load like 5 billion more times. Let me see. Oh, sweet. Finally! YouTuber. Oh, yeah, since the last time I did my channel and it didn't work. I don't know if you remembered, because I deleted the video. I finished this one, and I'm on Texas. Not in Alaska anymore. What? What the frick? Here we go, son. No. 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 I don't want to use all my money. I already have another air assault rifle, man. What is it? I'm buying it because it's fudging worth it. Okay, it won't let me play. What the heck? Frick, man. Hunt anyway, bro. Sorry if you guys can't hear this. One. Wait. Boom. Got him. Let's do this, guys. Eating pretzels too, so wrecked. I killed 2 at a time. Sweet, I'm MLG. Dab, son. Dab. The frick? There's a mobile strike ad. I don't know if you guys can see it. I don't want to play this, man. Stupid game. Screw it. I'm not playing it. Can I just kill Apex? Who the fudge is Apex? Can I hunt Apex now? What the heck? Screw life. Doing shooting range. That's what I wanted to do. The music's sick. You got a dab. This pistol's crap. I like the other one. Then you got a dab. I'm popping my toe. Oh, frick, that hurts. Fudge. Ow! Or Bull Frank 4. Let's do this crap, man. Anybody? Got him. No, the guy can't be in the head of me. It's lagging on me so bad. No, I'm behind him? No. It's impossible, man. Hurry up! I'm better than this guy. No! Load faster, man! Hurry up! Load them down, man! No! Load faster. Okay, got him. got him. Okay, I lost his guy. I'm sorry, the server lagged so bad. I'm sorry. It was. I won. Wait, just don't look at don't look at the guy. Me, man. I'm beating this guy up. Oh, my pistol's spinning around, my dude. Wait. Yeah. I just burped, so. No, it's the same guy again, I think. Where are they? In the lead. On the green top corner. No. Sorry, man. You can't be doing that to me. No, I can't be losing points right now. Oh, I'm way ahead of this guy now. Just stop lagging the game. Stupid lag. This video might be short, but frick, that was a miss. Okay. Still ahead of him. Hurry up, he's closer to me. Still one either way. Oh, what if he got ahead of me right at the end of the match? Dab, son. Dab, son. Dab, son. Get it. Get it. Get it. What did I earn? Can I build a new gun? Ew. I forgot. It seems are scary as crap. Wait. No. Oh, the spider scared the crap out of me.